Method overloading and method overriding are both important concepts in object-oriented programming and are used to achieve polymorphism in Java. However, they have different purposes and behaviors. Method overloading. Method overloading refers to the ability to define multiple methods in a class with the same name but different parameter lists, different number or types of parameters. In other words, you can have multiple methods with the same name, but with different parameter types or numbers. Example of method overloading. In this example, we have two methods named add with different parameter types, integers and doubles. The method that is invoked depends on the type and number of arguments passed. If you pass integer values while invoking add method, then add method with integer parameters will be invoked. However, if you pass double values while invoking add method, then add method with double values will be invoked. Method overriding. Method overriding is a feature that allows a subclass to provide a specific implementation of a method that is already defined in its superclass. This allows the subclass to provide its own behavior for the method. Rules for method overriding. The method in the subclass must have the same signature, name and parameter types as the method in the superclass. The method in the subclass must have the same or covariant return type, a subclass of the return type in the superclass. The access modifier of the method in the subclass must be the same as or more accessible than the method in the superclass. Example of method overriding. In this example, the subclass overrides the display method from the superclass to provide its own implementation. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe to CS Techknowledge now. It's totally free.